Ayana, you know I follow you on Instagram, and I always see your journey. Wow, you're maturing. I feel like.
I'm not.
Yes, you are. You are. You're more wiser. I think you're also more straightforward with where you want to go in life. Where do you see yourself in 2 or 3 years from now?
Well, actually, I'm really not sure because now, till now, I don't have any very specific goal, but I just want to know about Islam deeply.
Yeah, you're learning about Islam,
yes,
right?
and I also want to study. I mean, I want to continue my study about Islam.
So you're going back to school for Islam?
Actually, I want, but inshallah, I want to see first because of my plan and everything. And then I also have to take care of my brother as well. He just converted.
That's right. Oh,
yes.
Sorry, what's your brother's name?
Song-uk.
Song-uk. Song-uk.
Song-uk.
Moon? Pakai Moon?
Moon is our family name.
Right, so Song-uk Moon.
Yeah, so you just can call him Song-uk.
Song-uk. So he converted as
yeah,
well.
Alhamdulillah.
Tell me, how was it? Did you cry?
Yes, I cried.
Yeah.
Of course, because actually it was, really meaningful to me because my parents are just okay with my religion.
Your parents are not Muslim, right?
Not Muslim. They are not Muslim, and then they just okay. They don't like my religion, but they are just okay. How? I already converted.
Yeah.
So they are just okay, but they still don't like my religion because my parents, they don't believe in God. That's why it's maybe a bit hard to understand why my daughter believe in God.
Right.
For what?
Yeah. And then all of a sudden, your brother also at 16.
No, 16. I also convert when I was in 16, and then he also converted. Now he is 16.
So did he call you or did you tell him about God?
No, because actually I dakwah to him for a long time.
You dakwah?
Yes. But it's not about Quran. It's not about Nabi Muhammad Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. I just share my experience and I just show how happy I am in Islam.
Right.
It's just very light things. Just I'm so happy in Islam.
Yeah.
Islam is not a religion. All of people in Islam are very kind to me. Something like that. I just share my experience.
So you choose not to listen to music because you're more focused with learning.
Well, I think it's my hobby because since I was student in Korea, since I was very young, I had to focus on my study. So sometimes I feel like when I listen music, I feel like I'm wasting my time. So I stop. But Alhamdulillah, now it's very helpful,
Yeah.
So I can focus on studying Islam.
What's your favorite story about agama?
Well, actually, about hadith, I like that things heaven is under
Your mother's feet.
mother's feet. Because the reason why I really like the hadith is actually my mom is not Muslim.
So you're saying about the hadith?
Yeah. So actually I really like that hadith. Actually my mom is not Muslim yet, but I always pray for her.
Mashallah.
Yes. Every time I salat, I always pray for her. Hope she get hidayah from Allah like me and my brother as well. Amin, amin. So that hidayah give me hope.
Yes.
Bright hope
Yes.
for my future.
And your father also, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
But
Focus on mother because
yes.
surga.
Yes.
Inshallah. So, I think it must be hard for you to go through so many things in life. Yeah. I cannot imagine because you decided to move from Korea into a new foreign country. You've never been there before.
At that time, I just visited Malaysia because I really want to see Islamic country. Because before this, I've never been to Islamic country.
Why did you pick Malaysia and not Indonesia first?
Because I didn't have any Indonesian friends at the time. Anyway, at the time I visited Malaysia, and then after I converted to Islam, my parents were really upset about my decision, of course.
You know, I've heard stories where sometimes sometimes the parents don't want to talk to the child, or sometimes they don't give allowance anymore.
Yeah, that's why I stay there. Even my parents are quite not rich, but they have enough money, but they didn't give anything to me. So I had to save money since when I was young. I mean, since I graduated from my high school, so I went to Malaysia alone. Of course, I paid my flight ticket by myself as well. And then at that time, I had enough savings, but I had to save for my future as a student life.
What do you give advice to people who, Indonesia, a lot of people don't have jobs. Malaysia, I think so also, all over the world. What is your advice to be successful in life?
Well, actually, honestly, I don't think that I'm successful now, seriously. But if I give some advices, then my advice is making a plan first.
Right.
Before whatever you do.
So think first.
Think first.
Yeah.
Think deeply. What you really want, then what if you want to achieve that goal, what should you do?
Yeah.
You have to think twice, 3 times, and then make a dua.
Yes.
Pray so hard.
Yeah.
When I stayed at the guest house, every night, oh yeah.
It's okay. Every night.
Every night I prayed really hard. Even I cried every day because I born and raised in quite rich family, and then I've never experienced that kind of poor things. And then I was top student, and then I also work in very big company in Korea.
It's like Allah took everything away from you.
Yes, I feel like I achieved really many things, and then but at that time my life was so poor, and then even I felt like I don't have any bright future as well. Even now I'm really okay with my parents, but at the time my parents were really upset, just really upset. So I couldn't burden anything. So, but I had goal, I had a plan, and then I always think deeply, and then I always dream, and also I prayed really hard. Seriously, even I was really poor, and then there was no one around me, but I didn't forget salat and then make a dua for myself, for my future, and then, alhamdulillah, Allah accept it. But I really think that I'm still not successful, but I'm really satisfied with everything because alhamdulillah, I have really many friends who can replace my family even. Like you, Diamplangi, Rina, Elsa, there are a lot of friends. And also, alhamdulillah, I earn enough money. I can earn by myself with halal job.
Mashallah.
And also, I can treat all of my friends. So I'm so happy.
Like today, right?
Yes, today I will treat you. Yeah, so I'm so happy. So maybe even Diamplangi is much more richer than me, but normally I treat her.
Really?
Because I'm really happy to treat them. Because, you know, before this I didn't have any money, so I couldn't treat. But now I have money, so I'm really happy to treat them.
You know, that is also another hadith where if you treat your friends, you get pahala, especially.
Yeah, and then they also pray for me.
Yes.
Yeah, for my future, I treat. It's not because of I'm rich. I'm still not rich. Just have enough money, but I just treat because I really love them, and then I really want to express my heart to them.
Mashallah.
And then they, alhamdulillah, pray for me after it. Ayana, thank you so much. May Allah bless you. So I thought my brother can convert because of their dua. It's like, you know, everything is circulate.
Yeah.
I treat you, and then you pray for me. So my brother, alhamdulillah, convert.
Now, today, and then, you know, who knows, 1 year from now, 2 years from now, can you say that you're happy with the choice that you made in life?
Till now,
Yeah.
yes, I'm so happy. Actually, now this moment is the most happiest moment in my life. Seriously.
Like now, today?
Yes, with you.
So, now my question is, you found your peace, you found friends, you are in a good place with Allah, your brother converted, so many blessings, so many rezeki ya, Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
So what is next for Ayana? Getting married?
Oh,
Oh, why?
jauh.
Hey, you're 23 loh.
Yeah,
23, when you want to get married?
not sure if I will.
Don't say 40, okay? That's doa. That's doa. When do you want to get married?
If I will meet good person.
good imam ya, inshallah ya.
Yeah, good imam.
I'm sure there's so many offers.
Not yet. I think not yet.
Not yet?
Yeah, sedang mencari.
Masya Allah. So you're gonna be very critical ya. So does it have to be Korean or Indonesian or Malaysian?
I think maybe Indonesian or Malaysian because it's really hard to meet Korean Muslim. So,
but you believe in you have your jodoh ya?
yeah.
Allah already created your jodoh.
Yes.
You'll meet him.
Inshallah.
Okay. So that's later.
Yeah.
So what's the closest goal for you now?
Inshallah, if I can, I want to continue my study. Because maybe one day, I want to be someone who spread right Islam in Korea, and then want someone who can help many Muslims in the world. So I felt like I need to study. I mean, professional Islamic knowledge. It's not about Islam on the street.
Yeah.
Because I want to spread right Islam. So
Right.
I think I have to study in school.
That's true. You need to get a good teacher, Islamic
Yes.
teacher who knows
Yeah.
how to make you understand the right Islam, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Inshallah.
I pray, ya Allah, ya Allah, ya Allah, for Ayana, all the best, all the good things in life. May your goals, cita-cita, semuanya Allah ijabah yang terbaik.
Amin.
Maybe better than what you wish for, especially for your future, for your work, for your career, for your rezeki, and most importantly, I always pray, this is my prayer now all the time, so that we can get husnul khotimah. Because we always plan like close, 1 year, 2 years, but the ending is the most important, right? Pray for husnul khotimah, and then when we are in akhirat,
Yeah.
the one thing I always hope for, we can see Allah, because not everybody can see Allah in
Yes,
akhirat,
yes.
and also Nabi Muhammad
Yes,
sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Amin.
Amin.
Amin. And if you're in Jannah, you're Dewi. Okay, you
Yeah,
call
yeah,
me.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
you have